See, dear students, what is the value of the prefix expression? This one, okay. The prefix expression is given here. Now question mark represents what is the value of that particular expression. Now in this expression, by traversing pre-order, prefix means you have to travel pre-order only, okay. That means this expression we will get using the tree. Already we have seen. Now from that, what is the value we will get here? Okay, of course this expression is nothing but already given, okay. So that from that, how we will get the value? Okay, by using prefix order, prefix expression. So that means you have to go in pre-order while traversing the tree, okay. So what he says, pre-order you have to go. So how will do that expression here? Okay, so you can observe here. So in this expression, some values are there and some are operators are there. You can observe plus, minus, star, division, cap, all these are called as operators, and 2 3 5 2 3 4 these are called values. Now in pre-order, in this traversing, if you want to find the value of this one, we have to come from right to the left, from right to the left. Now you observe from right which operator is first, from right onwards. You can observe the cap is the operator is there here, from leftmost to first operator, this one from left side, oh, sorry, from right side, okay. From right side, this is the first operator. Then you can observe from this operator what are the values are there after this one, 2 3. Now you have to take at a time 3 values. From this, how you will get the value? So 2 cap 3 you have to take like this, okay. Observe, you can this one, 2 cap 3 is nothing but 2 cube 3, that is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. Then that will becomes like this. That means in these 3 you can replace 8 here. Now the expression will becomes like this: plus, minus, star, 2 3 5 division, then 8, then 4, okay. Then after this one, again from right to left, which operator is the first one? Division. Then go to division, then take 3. So here division 8 4. From this, how you can express 8 divided by 4? That is nothing but 2. So 8 by 4 is 2. Now you can replace 2 with these 3 values, at these 3 values. Now you can observe plus, minus, star, 2 3 5. Then in between, in place of these 3 operators, only 2 is required. Now from this plus, minus, star, 2 3 5 2, you can observe from right to left, star is the first operator, okay. Now after star, you can take 2 3 also, okay. Now from these 3, okay, what is the expression we can get? 2 into 3, okay. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Like that you have to take here. This is pre-order selection, pre-order traversal. So in place of 2 into 3, there is 6 value. Now 6 you have to replace in place of these 3, star 2 3. Now the expression becomes like this: plus, minus, 6 5 2. Then from this, observe minus is the first one from right to left. Then after minus, 6 5 is there. So from this, the expression, the value is 6 minus 5 equal to 1. You have to take like this in pre-order traversal. Then minus 6 5 is replaced with 1. Then plus 1 2 you will get. Now the plus is the first one from right to left. Then again here the expression becomes 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. That means the total value of this expression is 3. Like this you have to go in pre-order reversal, okay, in pre-order traversal. Thank you.